Alec, Peirce at the ranch. How you doing, guys out there, you country people? This is especially for you, although a lot of people in the city enjoy my videos too. I hope you enjoy this one. Now, you've all seen the woodshed that my dear wife Diane and I built. We've done a couple of videos on this great woodshed. Simple, just a post in the ground and some 2x4s bolted on and some fence board painted up nicely. And this woodshed holds 5 bush cords, 5 bush cords of wood split, of course, and stacked, which is exactly what we need to heat our home for the whole winter. So this is our winter fuel. And it didn't cost us anything. Well, a little bit of diesel fuel and a little bit of gasoline for the chainsaws, but didn't cost us very much. And if you subtract the $300 and some odd each that we used to pay to go to the gym, which we don't need to do anymore because we're out cutting wood and splitting all the time. Anyway, you get the point. So there it is. You haven't seen it yet. Completely full of wood. There it is, jam full of wood, 5 bush cords ready. The only thing that's missing are the curtains. Yes, I ordered curtains. A heavy vinyl curtain about 4 feet wide, and they're going to be 4 feet just hanging there on large hooks, and they go down to about 4 feet just off the snow, and they have a heavy chain in the bottom, and those curtains will cover all this wood. They're open, so it'll still dry with the wind and so on, but when the snow and the sleet come from the east, which happens a lot, the wood won't get completely frozen. When we come out to get a load of wood, we'll just take the curtain, throw it over the top, load up the wagon, and away we go. So we're all set. So why am I doing this? Well, because as we were doing this, we also found around the splitter and here at the woodshed, we found a lot of bits and pieces of wood. And it's good wood. It's too small. You can certainly not a log. There's pieces like this and pieces, all this stuff all burns. It's all good wood. We use it for kindling. We use it to start the fire. We use it to get the fire going hot, to restart the fire in the morning on the coals. We didn't want to throw it away. At the same time, we had no place to store it. We didn't really know what to do. So I added a woodshed extension. I don't know what you want to call this, but here we go. A woodshed extension. Just that simple. 4 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet high. I put a nice tin roof on it like this. I may use tin so the snow will fall right off of it. It's quite an angle, you see. So any snow will fall right off of it. And when you want to get a piece of wood, load up some kindling, you just lift it up, reach inside, grab some kindling, get an armful of, look at that. You think that won't start a fire real quick? Look at this, listen, hear that? That's really, really dry. It'll start a fire beautifully. We have lots of pieces. Not a log, but I don't want to waste it either. So I thought I would show you that as well. Might be an idea that you can use as well. If you're just getting all kinds of pieces of wood piling up on the yard, or you're using a plastic bin or whatever you're using, this might be a good idea. Doesn't cost very much. 2 2x4s, a dozen or so fence boards, and a piece of tin we had laying around. And it works beautifully. Whoops, that'll be loud. Our kindling box. Right there on our woodshed where we need it. I thought I would mention that to you. It might be an idea you can use. I got some more things coming up. You keep an eye if you don't mind. I love your comments. Keep them coming. Alec, Peirce at the ranch. See you soon.